So if you have no views on your TikTok videos, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So we're going to go onto TikTok and then click on the plus icon right here. And then we're just going to record a video real quick like this. All right, that should be good. And then we're going to click on next. And then from here, once you are in this page, what you want to do is click on who can watch this video. And this is everyone. Make sure that it is set as everyone, not at friends or not at me. Just set it as everyone and then click post. And then so if you do that for all your videos and you're still getting no views, the second option that you can try to do is go to the three lines on the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. And then now you want to click on privacy and then make sure that your account is set as a public account, because if this is toggled on, then that means your account is private and no one can view your videos. So make sure that it is turned off like that. Now finally, if your video is still getting 0 views, the next option that you can do is click on your video and then click on the 3 dots, and then what you want to do is click copy link, and then basically just share the link with all your friends, or you can also share them via Snapchat, SMS, or even Instagram or Discord. And if they watch your video, then of course you'd get a view. Now, the one thing with TikTok is that if you've done all 3 of those and you're still getting 0 views, it's probably because TikTok's algorithm is still under review of your video.